So, good morning, Mandeep.
Good morning, Rekha. It is so nice to be connecting with you.
Same here. I'm so delighted to connect with you again because I feel a kind of a compatibility and a kind of relatability with your nature. So, I'm so happy to connect with you again.
Yes, the last meeting we had, it was like, meeting with the minds, the alike
Yeah.
minds. So I really
Yes.
enjoyed our last conversation.
Same here.
Okay.
Same here. And yes, so I think we don't need any formality of introduction, is it?
Right. No, 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 absolutely not. And we
Mhm.
have decided on something really good today to discuss.
Yes. Yes, we have the. So let's just spill the bean here that we have a topic related to Ghibli. But before we put our insight on that particular topic, I have a small question. I know you can, answer it very well in a very well manner. There is a saying that, we need moving ahead with the time. It's very important, you know,
Mm-hmm.
right? Keep up with the time is very important.
Keeping up with the
If you
time, yeah.
want, yes, keep up with the time is very important, and wisdom lies moving ahead with the time. So,
Right.
do you really, yes, so do you really think that it's important to move on with the time, to keep up with the time?
Well, it's important to keep moving with the time, but then you
Mhm.
have to err on the side of caution as well. You have to take everything with a grain of salt, what you are doing,
Yes.
right? And currently, this Ghibli art, it has flooded the social media completely, and
Mhm.
everybody seems to be jumping on the bandwagon just to
Mm.
be a
Yes.
part of it.
Mm.
So,
Yes,
first of
yes, yes.
all, yeah, before we delve into why we need to take it with a grain of salt or why we need to be cautious there, what is this trend? If anybody there, our viewers, is not familiar with it, let's just
Mhm.
give a brief introduction to this Ghibli art.
Yes, yes. First of all, I would like to add on something that, like I asked you, that wisdom lies moving ahead with time. I do believe in this terminology because man is a product of evolution, one who could adapt the situation and changes considered to be fitted in this world. So I believe this era is a modernization era. This era is to keep up with the time, right? You need to change yourself according to the time, right?
Right,
If you are not changing, if you're not accepting that change, that world will kick you out. So Ghibli is also like that only for me. Ghibli is trending nowadays, super duper trending. People are just fascinating. And I believe it is a rat race. People are just following the mob mentality, right? Oh, Ghibli is there. Why? Because Ghibli is giving a distinctive pictures. Right? You need to just upload it and you will get different pictures, different images of your own. Right? But we need to understand that the existence of Ghibli is straight coming from the Japan, right?
yes,
And the
yes, Japanese
yes, and the
artist
credit.
Miyazaki.
Yes. Yes,
What?
that credit goes to मुझे नाम भी I don't know, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will try. Hayao Miyazaki. Yes,
Right.
yes, yes. So credit goes to Mr. So and so and his studio Ghibli because he considered as a king of animation world. It's a famous one, Before we start, I wanted to tell you one more story here. My friend came to me and she said, "Do you know what is Ghibli?" I said, "I don't know Ghibli. Do you know Ghibli?" I said, "What is that Ghibli? Ghibli, Ghibli? Can you please give me,
And the
that
name
brief
is
about it?"
quite funny, we have never even heard it before.
Yes. So I started searching on that. What is that Ghibli all about? So at that time I came to know it is just an animation, right? You need to just upload your picture and you will get in a different way. That's the only Ghibli. So what is your take on that?
Well, everybody's posting their pictures, and this is the current fad. And especially the dreamy, lush landscapes and warm color palettes, especially these images that
Yes.
they offer, and they have a certain charm to them, and they attract people a lot. But this Miyazaki artist that we are talking about,
Yeah.
he has taken years to perfect this art, and it
Yes.
has a lot of work he has put into this, and suddenly this AI generated image, they do the work that he has been doing for years, and he takes
Yes.
long hours in perfecting it. It just generates those images in 2 minutes, a minute or
Yes.
two maximum. And
Like in a GP.
yes, in a jiffy. So but my experience was like I also tried to generate something, and chat gpt, by the time I got aware of this trend, chat gpt has had crashed literally. So
Okay.
it took quite long there. And yes, it is especially appealing a lot to people, and they are all, playing ghibli ghibli,
Ghibli,
whatever is
Ghibli.
different.
What is that Ghibli,
Yes.
Ghibli? So,
Yes.
seriously,
And
yes, like I told you, people are into the mob mentality, right? They are
right.
following. And what I believe that to stay connected with the world, right? To show that you are an active personality on social media, people are just following it,
Yes.
without having a second thought.
Second thought, right? And they are sharing their personal images there with the
Yeah.
AI, especially.
Mm-hmm.
Well, in my point, I tried generating a thumbnail out of Ghibli for
Okay.
YouTube, but it
Okay.
somehow I didn't like it. It didn't work out. So, what happens there is that people are sharing their children's images, their own personal images with
Yes.
AI, and that causes so many red flags there,
Yes.
because there are so many privacy concerns that have been raised by connoisseurs over X.
Mm-hmm.
I was reading yesterday only. So there are
Mm-hmm.
many privacy concerns, especially,
Yes.
it is a saying, when something is free, then you are the product.
Yes. Well said. Yes. Hit the nail on the head, I would say.
So people very, very, comfortably, they are becoming the product. They are sharing large amounts of data with this AI,
Yes.
and God knows this AI is self-learning. God knows how it's going to use your photographs. And once
Yes.
you have shared it willingly with it, it has got all the consent there to do
Yes.
whatever it wants to do
Hmm.
with your images. And now you have
Mm,
to run your imagination there, what all can be done with your pictures there.
I would say a word to the wise is sufficient. समझदार को इशारा ही काफी है. That all I can say it. And one more thing I would like to add on here. The people who are associating with the world of animation, those who are putting their blood, sweat, tear, and huge amount of hard work to generate the animated pictures and images, right? They need to, they need to, I think soon, later or sooner, they are going to lose their job because AI is creating the picture within a jiffy, right? And I would say, I can vividly remember a film scene where Mr. Majnu is from, I think,
Yes, that
Welcome
artist,
movie, Welcome
Anil
movie.
Kapoor's
Welcome.
Majnu's art.
Yeah, but you know what? He was saying in Hindi slang, he must be he must be bonkers. Why? Because AI is here. He must be saying that, अरे ये कहाँ से आ गया? मजनू को तो पिक्चर्स पेंटिंग बनाने के लिए ट्रैफिक रुकवाना पड़ता था, लेकिन नाउ AI is here, तो मतलब something is going to be गोलमाल, something is going to be blunder. So he must be bonkers. So all I mean to say is that you know people are not giving a second thought what we are doing. Actually, they are giving their full access to the camera. They are giving their face recognition, right?
Right.
They are sharing their private photographs.
And one thought was popping in my head. Once we are sharing our image, let's say I shared this image there with the AI, and these days face recognition softwares, they log you in into your bank account, into your
Hmm.
email account, everything. It has an access to your face, and with your face you can log in. So
Yes.
imagine if that data goes out into the dark web, and how it
Yes.
can be misused for accessing your personal information, your bank account
Yes.
details, even your phone can be logged into silently. I don't know how, through third party apps or something, but people are very
Yes.
smart. The companies, they are very smart. And even
Yes.
this, personalized ads, if you have heard. Back then, Facebook was found, misusing
Uh,
people's data for creating ads and altering the election results in US. So similarly,
mhm.
something like that, personalized ads can be used by using your face, if you have heard about it.
Yes, yes. I heard about it. Yes. It's very dangerous. I would say very detrimental for the human being, right? So, okay. And one more point I would like to, raise here. What AI is doing, that AI is presenting the that terrifying and sensitive images or incident into a cozy way.
Oh, sugarcoating.
Terrifying. Yes,
Sugarcoating
terrifying.
the disturbing content.
Yes, in a cozy way. And somewhere down the line, I feel there it is playing with the emotions of human being as well. Right? Let me just
And
give you example.
especially our children who do not have that, they haven't developed that sense enough that they can differentiate between violence as, packed into, dreamy landscapes or something like
Yes,
that, and they cannot
yes.
actually recognize.
Nowadays people are in their lala world. They are enjoying. There's
Hmm.
something is trending, so let's just hop into the process, right? If you more, it is a said that the more you will connect with the technology, the more you have to face the repercussion and that consequences. So ready to face the repercussion
Yes. So,
sooner or
word of
later.
advice here is that instead of sharing your personal information, personal pictures, any
Hmm.
cartoon, if even if you want to, try this trend, Ghibli trend, any art form or any your star, your idols images, try that.
Hmm.
Try doing that.
Yes,
Still you
yes,
will be
yes.
connecting.
Don't give, first of all, don't give the full, authority of your
Camera access
camera to
permission.
any,
Yes.
yes, to AI, yes. Don't give the high resolution picture to it, right? And the third
Mhm.
thing is, yes, I think two is more than enough. And one more thing I would like to add, we are talking about the Ghibli. That doesn't mean that we are against of Ghibli. No,
Right.
we
Right.
are not against.
Absolutely.
AI, yes, AI is self-explanatory, right? Artificial intelligence, but we can't compare AI to the human magnificent intelligence. We need to understand that AI is here to assist, not to replace the human being,
Right.
right?
And
If you are totally,
hmm.
Mhm.
Right, right. You
If you
complete
totally
your
depend,
thought.
yeah, if you totally depend on the AI, you will put rusting on your brain, and it is not
Hmm.
advisable from mindset. It is contributing positively, contributing towards private sector, to the government sector, everywhere, but we need to
Hmm.
understand the kind of a warm feeling and the emotion we are getting from the human being. We can't get it from the AI.
From the artist perspective. And if
Yes.
I may add my 2 cents here, one thing, since we are talking about creativity, we have to keep a tab on our children and how much access we want to provide them to generate images using AI, because somewhere it's curbing their creativity also.
Mhm,
Imagine a
mhm,
child who would just have some imagination in their mind and they'll put it on
mhm.
paper, but instead of that, the child is just giving a command and AI is generating the image. So
Yeah.
that is curbing the creativity of children also, no?
Yes, yes, we are, that means we are totally depending on the, AI. So that's why I'm saying that you are putting the rust on your brain. Right? We
Right.
need to understand that AI is created by the human being. Human being is not created by the AI. So
Right.
tell
It is
AI,
there to assist us, not to replace
yes,
us.
replace it, right? So tell AI that don't overrule my life, don't overrule my mind because I am the boss, because I have created you.
Yes, and to add to that, especially in the formative years of children, we should not
Mhm.
give them so much access to technology, but let them use their own brains first for
Yes,
everything. Stimulation of the
yes,
brain is very important.
very important. Yes, we have brain, and brain is the, I believe, powerful part of our body, right?
Right, right. Absolutely agree
Mhm.
with you there. I'm on the same page there.
Yes, I can see eye to eye. So let's just wind up the session on that
Right.
positive note. That use AI, But before that, use your brain too, right? And tell that AI that you are here to assist, not to replace it. That's very important.
And whatever you are getting into, use it with a grain of salt and look
Yes.
into the disadvantages and the advantages, and where you might be harming your family or yourself. Take that into
Yes. Yes.
account. That is very important. Do your research before jumping on any trend.
Yes, do your research and development part. That's very important. Then only hop into any other process if you want to be. So
Yes,
what? What to the yes. So
may I
what to the
just
wise?
few likes are not worth it, no? Risking your family's
Yes.
privacy.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So let's just wind up the session. And we had again a great discussion on it. Okay. Till then, keep up the good work and have
Yeah,
a
you
great
too.
day.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Okay, bye bye.
Okay.